What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some pimpin' in it. Hey, what's going on, man? I'm good. I see you. You got the blonde hair, personality glasses. Yeah. You going all Hollywood on us now. Come on, man. I ain't going all Hollywood. I just got to switch things up a little bit. Listen up, people. If you're in the market for a portable speaker, I think you might want to stick around for this first impression and unboxing video for this Sony SRS XG500 speaker.
All right, people, and now for the battery life. So you'll get 6 hours on a single charge. This charging case will charge these earbuds back up 3 additional times for a total of around 24 hours of total playback time. It is equipped with a wide range of features, including mechanical switches, RGB lighting, multi-device compatibility.
Can you help me with the outro? I mean, I got you. Hit you with the outro. I got you. Let's go. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech channel. My name is Nicholas. His name is Hollywood. Yeah, Hollywood. I like that for now. And we appreciate you stopping by. Peace.